In this video, I'm going to present to you a Parrot hydrofoil drone. It can do 360 degrees acrobatics, it's got an autopilot, and it can take aerial snapshots. It can speed up to 5.8 knots. You can drive it at range of 20 meters. It can perform its instant turns, and it's got incredible water stability. You will need scissors or a knife to open it. At first, you will see the main part. And on the bottom of the box you'll get instructions of use and a warranty. There you've got another smaller box, and there with other parts to build the hydroplane. Now I'll take out the other parts. We've got here wings, holder, and stabilizers. On the bottom of the box there are a charger, a screwdriver, screws, a battery, the drone. It's got one camera at the bottom. And then last, there are two holes. That's all for today. Bye.